Hey guys, welcome to another Total Home Quick Tip. Today we are installing Curdy band around our Ditra floor. The reason we're doing this is because we want to create a waterproof pan, right? So let's just say your toilet backs up or something like that and all the water spills onto the floor. It's going to try to find any little crack or crevice to get in. So if you've got the wall, which is right here, all the water is going to go in there and it could potentially saturate whatever flooring is on the other side. If it's hardwood, that's bad news because it'll cup, and if it's carpet, it's just going to soak up all that water. So this is really effective in laundry rooms and also in bathrooms like this one. You can see it goes right up the wall. And another good thing about this too is that your drywall doesn't wick up any water, so you're not going to get any mold or any kind of water damage from the water. You can see they have these really neat corner pieces that are already pre-made. So you just cement those down, and then you cement this Curdy band onto the wall. You make a nice corner, like so, and now you have a waterproof pan around your whole bathroom. I mean, we've got the toilet right here. There's potential for an overflow here, and over here we're going to have a standalone tub, so there could be water that makes its way to the floor as well. So what you would do is just put your baseboard right over top of that, and it's 100% waterproof. In this case here, we're going to use some tile wainscoting, so I don't have to worry about any kind of water making it into the next room. All right. Thanks for watching, and talk to you later.